Today, I will teach you how to create a product commercial ad using Canva. So, let's begin. First, click on Create a Design, then choose the video format. Select the background. Go to Color and choose a gradient background. Now, change the color gradient. Choose the circle gradient type. Go to Photo and type Coffee Cup. Add a coffee cup to the design. Click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Adjust its size and position. Click on Element, type Circle Shadow. Add a shadow to the design. Send it to the back. Now, click on Text, add a heading. Type Coffee. Change its font to High Cruiser and the font size to 180 pixels. Change its font color also. Duplicate this text and arrange them. Go to the Layer section. Move the cup and shadow layer to the top. Adjust its size and position. Click on Element and type Coffee Seed. Add it to the design. Remove its background. Add another one and remove the background. Next, add a nut. After this, type Choco Chips. Add one to the design. Now, adjust all of their sizes. Duplicate the Choco Chips. Make them individual by cropping them. Arrange all of them to make a stunning look. Now, duplicate the page. Select the first text. Go to the layer. Duplicate the text. Next, move this text just before the first text. Again, duplicate the text and do the same. Now select these texts, click on More, then Show Timing. Reduce the first text's timing to 0.3 seconds. The second one also to 0.3 seconds. Adjust the last one to set all this in one row. Choose the second text. Go to Effect. apply the hollow effect on it. Similarly, make 2 duplicates of the next text. Select these 3 texts. Set the first one to 0.6 seconds. The second one to 0.3 seconds. Adjust the last one to set them in one row. Similarly, apply the hollow effect on the second text. Use this same rule for the remaining texts. Now hide the show timing. Duplicate the page. Delete coffee and all texts. Go to Upload and add your product image and logo. Remove its background. Go to Text, add a heading. Type your product tagline. Change its font to Poppin' Semi-Bold. Adjust its size and position. Now apply blur effects to all elements. Let's animate the design. Go to the first page. Select all seeds, nuts, and chocos. Click on Animate. Apply the scrapbook animation effect. Select all text. Apply the Ascend animation effect. Select both the cup and shadow. Apply the Pop animation effect. Go to the second page. Select all these elements. Click on Animate. Apply the Wiggle motion effect. Select the cup and shadow. Apply the Pop animation effect with the On Exit mode. Also, apply the Rotation motion effect. Now, select all text. Apply the Ascend animation effect with the On Exit mode. Go to the third page. Select the product image. Apply the baseline animation effect. Select the logo. Apply the succession animation effect. Select the tagline text. Apply the typewriter animation effect. Select your product image and text. Click on More, then Show Timing. Now adjust the timing to make them consecutive appearances. Download your design in MP4 format. Here is a pro tip. After downloading this video, you should delete the pause parts of the video to make this motion video smoother, and also add sound using any video editor. Let's check the final result. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.